Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine. This is Praveen from Coded, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can use React Native hooks with React Native. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in this video I'm going to write out a little example that is not going to be quite correct. I know it's quite confusing anytime someone shows you the wrong way to do something when you are learning it for the first time, but I'm doing it for a very particular reason. You'll see it very shortly. So I'm going to first write out some slightly incorrect code, and then we are going to fix it right away. So back in my app.js component, I'll import a button from React Native and write inside a view component. I'll give a title prop of increment uh, and on press function. For now, I'll just write alert in on press function so that we get alert when we press the button of increment. Then I'll duplicate the button, and second button I give the title as decrement. Next up, I'm going to declare a new variable counter at the top of our function and initialize it to 0. We increment the counter by writing counter plus plus inside the onPress function of increment button that we have given title of increment, and decrement the counter by writing counter minus minus inside the onPress function of the button that we have given title decrement, and also print the value of the counter inside the text element that we have written already. First I'll write current count, and then in parenthesis I'll write print the counter that we have initialized. I give some styling to the text that we have written for better visibility. If you click on increase, nothing happens. But why? So in React Native, the component that we reference in the type of variables and the value, these are also changing behind the scenes. If I show a toaster on press of the button and press increase button, the value is changing. As you can see on the toaster. But the question is why the screen did not update. The answer is very simple. React does not automatically watch a variable and check if the value of the variable change and then re-render the screen. So to know the React, you need to add this value in the state to re-render the component. But as we are using the functional component, we cannot write state, because state we cannot use state in functional component. So in that position, the use state comes to the rescue. So first of all, what is use state? So use state is referred as a hook. A hook is a thing which gives you additional functionality to the functional component. First, I'll import use state hook from React and write down the declaration of the use state hook. So the declaration of use state hook is we write const inside the brackets the state that we are storing the value. In this example, we have counter state, and the second argument is a function that we are going to change the state. Remember, we cannot change the state directly, so to change the state we always need a function. I'll write is equals to and write use state, and inside the bracket I'll write 0. So this is the uses of use state hook. So we have declared the counter, we have set. So I'll comment out the counter and comment out all the increment and decrement that we have written inside the onPress, so that with the help of that function we can change the state. If you consider in a class-based component, we always change the state using setState function. So in functional component or in use state hook, you always change the state with the second argument that you are going to provide inside the const. Then to increment the counter, I'll write set counter and counter +1 to increment the counter, and also inside set counter -1 to decrement the counter. So this is the way we can use state hook. If I refresh and write increment or decrement, you can see the value of counter changes. So that's it for today's, guys. If you like this video, if you think this video is informative to you, please like and subscribe. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.